you're tired and/or frustrated with managing contractors who promise to be better but continue to underdeliver, we have a solution for you. Citywide Maintenance is a management company for the building maintenance industry. By acting as an extension of your management team, Citywide can help lower your costs, improve services, and save you time. We understand every client has different needs. With more than 20 different services, including window washing, janitorial services, and carpet and upholstery cleaning, our job is to provide solutions to your unique situation, no matter how many or few services your building needs. We start by replacing the service causing you the most headaches, such as janitorial, and add services as you deem necessary, all with one point of contact. In these economic times, shrinking headcounts and reducing budgets require property and facility managers to work smarter. You want to spend less time dealing with problems caused by your cleaning company and other vendors. Citywide has been saving our clients time and money for nearly 50 years by providing one point of contact to ensure quality results for your building.